Coach Yang going with the same five he ended the first quarter with. Right, dancing with Japet. Huli ni Aguilar, pero pati braso kasama.
Right, going back to the free throw line, where he made his only point so far from that area. Stamina-wise, he looks okay.
Usually, Doc, pagka ganyang kararating lang kanina ng import, usually sa pangalawa, pangatlong araw sisipa talaga yung jet lag.
Never a problem, even the night before. You saw what happened with Onoku. He had a monster of a game in the first game. Tapos yung second game, hindi na bumababa.
Yan.
Doon na inabot after 3 days.
Hindi lang second game, Doc. Kanina, fourth game na, hindi pa rin bumababa.
Maka-cramps na eh. Hindi, well, he's really heavy.
4-0 pa rin naman sila eh. So, no problem.
But he has also inspired his teammates. Naging contributor na ngayon pati yung mga local player.
As Jeffers continues to contribute para dito sa Barangay Nebra, pushing their lead back up to 5.
Best game so far up to the second quarter. 14 points, 5 rebounds already in the ball game. He does have 2 personal fouls. And last touch, kay Wright yun, tumama sa ano niya bago lumabas ang bola sa sundot ni Oti.
Barangay Nebra searching for their first victory ng ating 2016 Oppo PBA Commissioner's Cup. Will be looking to add to this 5-point lead. Ellis may tanga ng bola. They swing it around. Jeffers well covered by Norwood. He goes backdoor! At yan yung binabanggit mo, Doc, yung mga spectacular sequence na ganyan, yan ang hinahanap ng mga fans.
Well, look right now. He never has 2 guys there that are very smart and good passers. JTB and Scotty Thompson.
As Norwood lines it up.
The loose ball foul on Jericho Cruz.
Yung Jeffers, buwis-buhay dito, Doc. Dalawa kalaban to, nakikipagbakbakan pa rin para sa board. Tandaan po natin, 6'3 lang si Otheus Jeffers.
Yeah, but he plays bigger than... And this is a nice move. Na-fake niya si Gabe Norwood dun. And then he just went backdoor and an excellent eye in the sky pass there by Joe DeBans.
Jeffers and Norwood continue to battle for position. Aguilar bounces it over, papunta kay JDB. Thompson from top of the key has 7 seconds to try and generate a shot. Ellis for 3. Punches it through!
Buhay na buhay ang laro nila dito. And they know that if they want to win this ball game, they've got to put a big lead because this is a team that knows how to come back. The other team.
Yung tres na yung kanina natin sa atin ng Oppo F1 selfie expert, Jericho Cruz, though, goes to the curl to send home the teardrop. 2 minuto na lumilipas sa ating second quarter. Ellis in motion. Jeffers looking for a better option right now. They go to Japet. Aguilar has Norwood on it. They go to JDB. Free for the 3. Hatid pa rin sa atin ng Oppo F1 selfie expert.
They're getting to the basket and we're not going to the basket. We're just soft. The one time we got to the basket, Jericho challenged the bigs, we got the basket. We're not going there. If they collapse, that's the time you kick. Come on, let's go.
Coach Yang Giao surprisingly calling an early timeout in the second quarter. At narinig natin doon, Doc. Gusto niya umatake ang kanyang mga player, pero paglabas ng timeout, si Antoine Wright tumira naman mula sa labas.
Well, like I said, he's a shooter.
Devon Smith, Jeffers out-hustles Wright.
Nasundutan niya yun.
And he kicks it back over, papunta kay Ellis. 5 segundo na lang sa shot clock ng mga nakaputi. Thompson puts it up. In and out. Slaughter boards it. Slaughter spinning to the baseline. Ayaw talaga.
Well, Slaughter came in during that timeout to replace Japet.
As Ginyahan could not send it home. Jeffers with the rebound. Si Coach Yang iiling-giling. Dahil 2 sunod na beses tumira sila sa labas. Sabi nga niya, dapat isaksak sa loob.
So hindi sila nakikinig. Lalo mapapagalitan yan.
Disgrasya to. Susunod na timeout. Sabi nga niya, the one time they went in, si Jericho Cruz, nakashoot naman sila.
Yan ang kailangan i-adjust ni Anton. You cannot hold far, especially holding, especially if a guy is attacking towards the basket. Pero hindi naman ng penalty, so side court throw-in lang.
Jervy Cruz, ipapasok ni Coach Tim Cone.
Ngayon lang napahinga ito si OT mula nung umpisa ng laro. Tumatakbo pa ng 100 kilometers per hour.
Oo, grabe. Tumakbo pabalik sa bench.
Hindi yun linakad din.
100 kph, partida, naka-handbrake pa to. Slaughter may tanga ng bola. Still over 8 minutes remaining in the first half. Slaughter leans in, gets that basket, nagkahuban pang foul.
Ang laki. Saka medyo natuto na talaga yung kanyang kilos. Katulad ni Jumar, parang almost unstoppable na pag napunta sa ilalim. May buwelo pa.
Kaya inaabangan na naman ang buong sabayanan yung magigilabanan na yun, Doc.
Kailan ba yan?
April 3.
Alam na alam mo.
SM Bree versus Barangay Nebra. Junmar versus Greg Zila.
Ikaw nagsabi na gusto niya maging 5-time MVP.
Yun yung banggit niya sa atin nun. Hindi pa nga siya 2-time nun eh. Nung binanggit ni Junmar yan.
Well, we already have 2. And I've had the opportunity to work with them. Si Ramon at saka si Alvin Patrimonio.
Traveling na ipito dito kay Jericho Cruz.
Medyo off-sync na naman dito ang rain or shine. No? But like I said, alam ng Barangay Nebra, they have to really put a lot of distance between themselves and this team.
Ellis may tanga ng bola. Evans nagpakawala ng mahaba. Right para sa rebound. Antoine racing down to Gabe. Catch and shoot 3. Norwood misses. Jericho keeps it on that side of the floor. Antoine right nagpakawala. Ayaw pa rin. Ellis para sa board. Slaughter off that secondary. Iiwan para kay Jervy. Devans making that look-away pass. Sinusukat niya si Antoine Wright. Devans flips it up. Could not get the bounce. Sa rebound play, inabot itong si Slaughter.
Ni Ponferrada, no?
Mukhang mawawarningan pa dito. Either si Coach Cheng o isa sa mga nasa bench. Nawarningan na nga ng tuluyan si Coach Cheng. Take another look. Yun, inabot sa ulo eh.
Oh, mali yun. Kita mo yung ba't naibigay yung bola doon sa tumayo lang mali yung referee doon. Hindi naman tinulungan ng dalawang kasama niya. Bola ng Hinebra, tumawag ka ng foul.
Magiging delay of game pa to si Jericho.
Kasi si Jericho ang lumabas, inabot niya yung bola kay Jericho. Buti hindi lineap, hindi nakot sa kabila.
Pang shock tinapul yun Iniabot sa kalaban.
Hindi, tsaka mali.
Thompson may tangan, pupunta kay Ellis. Pull-up jumper. Mintes, Slaughter sa loob. Putback is good. Bonus free throw na naman ang parating para dito kay Greg.
This is the difference between Chisholm in this import right. Chisholm is 6'8" and is a strong rebounder than back to up.
They can't do anything about Greg here. Greg is killing them, The only guy who did something with him actually was Belga. Medyo maganda depensa sa kanya at saka yung rebounding ni Belga noong umpisa.
Mintis yung bonus pero 16 na ang abante ng Barangay Ginebra. Norwood gustong manlin lang, finishes strong. At yun yung kanina pa yung hiling ni Coach Jengiao.
Kaya, sabi na sa inyo, drive tira sa labas. Iba kayo.
Slaughter ulit, susukatin si Ponferrada. Slaughter faking the baseline spin, jump hook niya, bitin, Jervy board. Inabot siya ng foul.
What he does best as a power forward, an undersized power forward, he rebounds the ball offensively and he likes to play underneath the basket.
Antoine Wright whistled for his second personal foul. Cruz, dati ng taga-Raider Shine, misses on that first one. At si Ahan Misi ngayon palang ipapasok ni Coach Cheng. This guy, Maverick Ahan Misi, is actually the leading scorer heading into this game para sa Raider Shine.
It's a very hard matchup for any other team because of his size as a point guard. Malaki. May tira na sa labas, malaki. Marunong sumaksak.
Coming off a career best 19-point performance nung nakaraan. 14.5 ang average niya so far this tournament.
Offensive foul yun. Kitang-kita yun. binangga talaga ni Ponferrada si Scotty Thompson, who was trying to get around the screen.
Para kay Ponferrada, ikatlong foul na niyan, Doc. As Antoine Wright will through to the bench. Don Trollano pinasok ni Coach Yeng.
At balik na naman si O.T. Jeffers dito. Pinahinga yata si
Jeffers. Huli ni Ponferrada, but Slaughter is there. Inabot na naman ang foul. So si Ponferrada, kahit tatlo na personal foul, nakikipagsabayan pa rin, Doc.
Well, they have 4 big men on the team, so they know may playing time.
Ito, sapul na sapul siya kay Ponferrada sa unang atake. Pero pag-recover naman ni Slaughter, si Ponferrada pa rin ang namigay ng foul. 4 na yan para kay Jewel.
Sunod-sunod na mintis galing sa free throw line dito ni Greg Slaughter after making the first 2. And they need Belga back in the ball game, and he's coming back to the ball game.
Barangay Nebra fans, hinaharana agad si Bo. Bumabalik pa lang sa sahig. Bo daw. Bo ba sabi? Jeffers once again going above and beyond everybody.
Iba yung pinakikita ni O.T. ngayong araw.
17 na abante ng Barangay Nebra. Ahan Misi attacking, cycles it out. Trollano to Belga, nakadalawa na yan. Hindi makakuha yung pangatlo niya. Norwood taps it to the wrong man. And here come the Barangay Nebra San Miguel once again. Thompson surveys, gets it to Greg. Jeffers mula sa kaliwa. Lalabas muna kay JDV. Jervy with a pick for Thompson. Greg sa loob. Wala. Rebound. Norwood ang nanaig. Ahan Misi in the front court. Trollano nando sa kanto. Lalabas siya dito sa wing. And the rookie Don Trollano is looking for Guinyahan.
Oops. Odd matchup.
Guinyahan turnaround jumper. That's good.
He's also having a very, very good second conference, as well as even the Philippine Cup. He was really playing well.
46-31, 15 ang kailangan pulunin ng rain or shine.
Eli Tenorio coming back into the ball game for Jody Vance.
So from big to all of a sudden small,
Small.
2-point guard combination with Thompson and Tenorio in the backcourt.
Pati nga ang power forward nila, 6'3 lang. Small forward, 6'3 rin.
Coach Tim trying out different combinations here. Trying to do all he can to help his squad to their first victory. Jeffers taking that one away. Minama doon si Trollano.
Kinuha yung bola sa ere, sa ulo niya. He was off position, but he did almost 10 rebounds niya ata ito. Level na.
Turnover nga lang ang Barangay Nebra. Now Jaire Ibanez is checking back in para dito kay Gabe. Silang dalawa, no? Naghahalinhinan sa pagbantay dito kay Jeffers.
Well, that has already been pre-planned probably in their practices.
Trollano to Belga. Pupunta siya kay Jaire. We take a look at our shout count. Barangay Nebra, as expected, leading the count as of now. Tanaw lang po tayo sa sports5.ph. The player with the most yes shouts by the end of the game will be the Shouters' Choice Player of the Game, to be announced on sports5.ph after the game. Trollano tatanggap, catch and shoot, bitin. Hindi na napalik si Jeff Chan matapos na magandang simula niya.
Surprisingly, scoring-wise also, they need him. Remember, Rain or Shine is still playing without the services of Paul Lee, another one of their gunners.
Another week pa yata bago makabalik pa itong si Lethal Weapon as Jerby comes up with an air ball.
That's really rustiness now on the part of Jerby. You know, I mean, he can miss, but you don't shoot an air ball.
Jaire mula sa kanto, Bebuelo. Ibanez to Belga, pinamigay kay Ahan Misi, 3-pointer on the way. Mintis, Jaire stretching for the board. Yung si Ahan Misi before tonight, Doc, shooting 60% from the 3-point line. This time, ilalapit niya, binagsak pa kay Guinyahan, and JR made sure may 3-point play opportunity pa siya.
Opportunity dito para kay JR Guinyahan. Actually, si JR Guinyahan at si Bo Belga ang original mga big men nila. Nadagdag si Almasan at saka si Ponferrada. They're good combination talaga yan, si Bo at saka si Jerby. Si JR.
Huwag ka lang tatabi. Pagdating sa mga, ano yung kalaban ng buffet, pagka nakaset dinner,
Wala. Talo tayo dyan.
lugi.
Oo.
Slaughter on the move, puts it up, Sobra. Look at Jeffers on the weak side. Nakapagpasabit ng foul.
12 rebound na yan.
Grabe lang.
Kasi sinasabi mo, pagkasama mo itong dalawa doon sa Lorian.
Lorian.
Oo.
Yung lazy Susan,
lumipat ka na doon sa kabilang mesa dahil walang matitira sa ito.
Silang dalawa lang magkabila ng lazy Susan eh. Mag-aaway pa yan.
Lumipat ka na, maghanap ka na ng medyo mas mainang kumain.
As Japet Aguilar and Mark Caguioa come back in para sa Ginebra, Cruz and Thompson ang kanilang papalitan.
Well, he gave them enough time. You know, Scotty never really got started. He played more as a role player rather than as a guy trying to score. And Jerby just couldn't make shots. Dami ng mintis ng Ginebra dito sa free throw line. Of course, pinakamarami si Greg.
13 kanilang kalamangan pero dapat mas malayo pa. As Quinyahan receives from Belga, Quinyahan spins the other way, gets that basket, naikahuban pang foul.
Ganda talaga pumasa ng bola ang Rain or Shine. They just know where their teammates are on the floor. Good spacing. Nice move here by JR. And yung tapik ni Greg, natawagan siya ng foul.
And Quinyahan will complete that three-point play to bring Rain or Shine to within 10. Nung huling game ng Rain or Shine, Doc, natampakan ng 26 pero nahabol din nila.
In one quarter,
Oo,
tinablahan nila yung Meralco by having a 40 or 42-point output in the third quarter.
Dito, they are within 10. Tenorio to Caguioa, outside jumper. Nakuha yung bounce!
Good sign para sa kanya yun. That's a real lucky bounce.
Ahan Misi, dumaan sa big ni Belga.
Nasundutan.
Trying to go to the left. Nasundutan ni LA. Belga and LA crash into each other. That's going to be a foul on Tenorio. Patuloy ang ating pagtutok sa mga kaganapan sa loob ng Smart Araneta Coliseum on the most glorious of days. This is your Super Bowl Sunday. Laban ng Rain or Shine. At Barangay Nebra ang nakahain para sa ating lahat. Quinyahan misses on that jumper. Barangay Nebra is up by 12. Nasa kanila pa ang bola. Margin po, kasama natin si Dr. J. Andiao. Nandito rin siyempre si Miss Riza Diaz at ang buong puwersa ng inyong Sports 5. Caguioa misses. Japet, wala pa rin. Belga slaps it to the wrong man. It is LA on the baseline. Jeffers puts it up. And he'll shoot to the line for 2 shots.
You can see a little frustration kay LA. He went for the 50-50 ball. Ganda ng assist niya. Pero siyempre, malaki si Belga. So, hindi kagad umangat. Nawala yung assist niya, di ba? Pero, he kept the ball alive and Jeffers got hurt.
Kinuha niya yung buong bigat ni Belga eh. Pumake ka, si Belga yung pinigan mo, handa kang tanggapin yung bigat niya.
Excuse me, ha?
Kung ayaw mong tanggapin yung bigat, huwag mo i-fake.
Tira mo na.
Tira mo na lang. Pati siya natawa na lang din eh. Si Mike Buendia pa, isa sa mga assistant coach ng Ross. Ayos ka lang, sir. Tinanong siya.
Mike's a very nice guy. Good assistant coach. Actually siya nag-recruit ng mga imports. I talked to him about this guy. Sabi niya 2 nights daw siya hindi nakatulog. Dahil obligado sila maghanap. Alam nila nasaktan na si Jason.
Chan, ibinalik na ni Coach Yang. Drops it off to Quinyahan. JR bobbled but recovered and he gets the bounce.
What a good second quarter here for Belga. Already with 10 points. Really hurting them with his offense.
And it is actually siya lang yung nagdadala sa Rain or Shine na within 12 points pa rin sila. No? Tenorio to Aguilar. Baseline jumper is out. Belga para sa rebound. Pinapulgagan kay Jaire on the run. LA to beat. Jaire lost it. Quick hands on the part of Teniente Tenorio. Pananatili ang possession sa Rain or Shine.
That's what you love when you see your point guard play safety and he's almost able to stop a 2-on-1 situation.
Wala na pong isa't kalahati natin tira sa ating second quarter. Jaire humingi ng pick kay Belga. Jaire kicks it out. Chan puts it on the deck. Pulls up on top of Caguioa. Taplis lang sa ring. Pupunta ang bola sa Barangay Nebra. And Chan looking over at the official. Sabi, Rep, shooter ako. Hindi dapat kapos yun.
Baka natapikan yung aking wrist.
Ito na, sakto sang minuto natitira sa ating first half. Meron tayong money ball mamaya-maya kasi Miss Erica Padilla ibabalik pa para sa Sports 360 Blitz. Kaya walang BBTO dito sa TV5. Siksik na naman ang ating halftime.
A very good foul by Jerry Ibanez kasi penalty situation na siya, no? At free throws. Kay Belga pala. Pangatlo na pala ni Belga yun. Binangga pala ni Belga. Ayun, may tulak pa.
Tumalpog yung Jeffers dito sa Big Bow eh. At yun nga, malaking dagok. Ikatlong foul niyan. Yung Ponferrada Doc, umupo na dahil 4.
Tsaka yung import nila. Remember, it's not a big import. Not a guy that plays big. He's a shooter, no?
Kaya ito si Almazan, ibinalik na muna para kay Belga. Two for two para dito kay Jeffers. He's got 22 points.
Penalty ang rain or shine. Ang Barangay Ginebra, they have 2 fouls to give before they get into the penalty.
Chan, jump sirato Kinyahan. Liikot, papunta kay Ahan Misi. Down the lane, Maverick gets the finger roll. At may bonus free throw pa ang Barating.
That's why rain or shine has garnered a lot of fans. Look at the way they moved that ball. Look at the way they were spaced. They had all the big men of Ginebra scattered trying to pick up a man. Pero nagminti sa 3-point opportunity. So lamang pa rin ang 12 dito ang Barangay Ginebra. They play it fast. They have a 2-on-1 situation.
Jeffers may tangan ng bola. Slaughter asking for it. He's got Almazan on him. Uy, Babiling. Dribbling violation on the part of Greg.
No, ba't hindi siya makapihit? Pagtingin niya nasa likod, nakaposte doon si Marquez. So hindi niya mai-atake kagad. Inantay niya umalis muna.
Hindi kanais-nais yung kanilang
Set up
spacing.
doon. Terrible. It was that good and they knew it.
May kaprasong diferensya ang quarter clock at shot clock. Mga 3 kalahati, 4 na segundo yan. Sean milking it. Dadaan sa pick ni Kinyahan. JR from top of the key.
Yes, sir. So what a bad turnover. But they still have a chance to come up with 2 points here. Matagal pa ito.
Kagiwa in the backcourt being hounded by Chan. 5 segundo na lang natitira sa ating first half. Mark the Spark looking to make something happen. Switch sa kanya si Almazan. They go to Jeffers on the turnaround fadeaway. Di ubra. So at the end of the first 24 minutes of action, 9 na puntos pa rin naman ang maibabaong kalamangan ng Barangay Ginebra, 53-44.